Hello children, good morning. In science, today I am going to do lesson number 5, protection from accidents. Okay children, accident means you know all of you, is it? So it is unexpectedly happens children. We cannot expect, is it? That time it happens, is it? So accident can happen to anyone and occur at any time children. Okay, so we must be very careful. Okay, not only outside, in house also we have to be very careful children. Okay, we'll think we'll be in house, so there will be no danger for us like that. But you have to be careful at home also. When you go out on the road also you have to be very careful. Then at school, then when you go to park, there also you have to be careful children. Okay, I'll say children, first now at home. Okay, at home you have to be very careful to know you must not use any sharp objects children. Okay, so like if you say blade or scissor or knife, you must not play with the sharp objects. Okay, so whatever you want, you take help of your parents. Suppose you want to cut anything, pictures, you want to paste anything, you want to use a scissor means take help of your parents. With help of your parents or your elders, and if anyone is there in house, you have to, because by mistake you may hurt your hands children. So you have to be very careful with the sharp objects children. Then one more thing, what you have to be careful at home children, when you are using any electric devices. Electric devices means you will get electric shock. So with a fan, you have to be very careful. Then with a wet hand you must not touch any electric devices children, you will get shock. Okay children, then you must not put fingers inside. I'll show children. Children, see, this is your switchboard, is it? You must not put fingers inside the switchboard children, you will get electric shock. Okay, so you must be very careful. Don't put fingers inside this, you will get electric shock. Okay, so you have to be very careful children. I told you, with wet hands you must not touch any electric devices. Switch also you must not touch, and you must not put, I showed you no, but you must not put your fingers inside the switchboards because you will get electric shock. Then while you are walking on the stairs, you know children, stairs, you must not run or you must not play on the staircase, and you will be talking and going, no, then don't run on the stairs. You have to be very slow while going up or coming down the stairs. Then in fire, some children know you likes to play with the matchbox. Always they likes to play, is it? So it's very dangerous children. We'll think that a small matchbox, it is not so dangerous. But sometimes it may catch fire children. So you have to be very careful. So you have to be very careful with your sharp objects. Then don't touch any electric devices. Not to put the fingers inside the switchboard, and don't play with the fire. All those things you have to be very careful children. Okay, while at home also you have to be very careful. Okay, then some of them children, they like to go and fly the kite on the terrace. Okay, some children do this, we have seen, and you also some of them will be doing. When you want to play on the terrace or you want to fly the kites, okay, you should take elders or parents with you. Okay, you must be very careful while playing on the terrace because it is not safe. You want to play on the terrace, you take elders, okay, and play. Then when you take bath, when you go inside a bathroom children, what will be going and playing inside the water with the soap, is it? You will go to take bath inside, then you will be playing with the soap and water. So you must be very careful. Don't make don't spill the soap, okay, down. So what will happen? You may fall. So you have to be very careful. All these things children at home. You have to be very careful with the sharp objects. Okay, then do not play with the electric device. Don't put the finger inside the switchboard. Then don't play with the fire. On terrace also you have to be very careful. If you want to play on the terrace or want to fly the kites, take your elders, your parents along with you while going. Okay, then in bathroom also I told no, don't play with the soap and don't spill the soap there. You may fall down. Okay children, all this you have to be careful at home. These all the precautions you have to see at home. Okay, now at school. When you go to school children, there also you must be very careful. Okay, do not play in an open field. Field should be high boundary wall. Be careful while playing near pointed fence. So okay, once you are going to school, when you are going to play in the field, is it? You go for sports or no, you will be playing. So you must be very careful. Okay, should be covered boundary wall should be there. Inside the playground only you have to play. And playing near, must not play near the what is that, fence. Okay, fence, you know children, it will be very pointed sharp, this thing is there. So you are very careful because sometimes you may fall, you get hurt. Okay, so must be very careful. And do not throw any object on other students. Okay, in classroom what you will do children, sometimes you will be quiet. Then sometimes what you will do, from you will be sitting there, you want to call your friends or anything, you want to just make a fun, you will be taking a pencil or eraser, anything you will be throwing at them. Is it? It's not good children, because sometimes it will go and poke their eyes, or maybe it will hurt the ears or nose, anything. So don't throw, while you are sitting in the class, don't throw any things on your friends. Okay. Then do not fight or make a noise in the school bus. Stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. Okay. So you will go in school bus. So that time you don't make a noise. Okay. Don't make a noise. You have to sit in the particular seats. Okay. Then don't while climbing inside, while going inside the bus, climbing inside also, don't push. Okay. All will be going inside the bus. But children, what you know? Will be very hurry. I want to go first, and yes, all will be pushing. Is it? All will push and climb. You must not do that. You should stand in queue and go inside the bus. Okay. Do not fight or make a noise in the school bus. Stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. Okay. All this you have to be careful at the school, children. I told you, no. Then next, on the road. So on road, do not play on the road. Do not talk while crossing the road. Means while you are walking on the road, must not, okay, you must not run and you must not talk while walking on the road, and don't play and go. Some will be walking, talking, and they will be going, because the vehicles will be coming, you will be not observing. So do not talk or do not play on the road while you are going. And while crossing the road, you have to be very careful, children. You have to cross the road at the zebra crossing. You have to see the signal. So when it is green, you must not go. You all know, is it? When, okay, they will put a signal. Then if it red means all the vehicles will stop. So you can cross the road at the zebra crossing. See children, can you see this? This is zebra crossing. So you have to cross this. When the signal is red, that time all the vehicles will be stopped. You can cross the road at that time. Okay, always cross the road at zebra crossing. Do not drive in a rash. Maintain a medium speed of your vehicle. So vehicles, when you are going in a vehicle, you must go in a, not go in a speed. You have to maintain a medium speed. Okay, you must not rash. You must not go in a hurry. Okay. What all this now you know, children, or how you have to be careful at home and at school on a road. Okay. When we are very careful also, sometimes we will be careful also, sometimes accidents may occur. If you are, as though we are careful also, sometimes it occurs. So what we have to do, children? First, suppose if you get hurt, you will fall. You may hurt your leg or hand, anything. It is bleeding. So what you have to do? First you have to do the first aid, children. First aid means what? No? In case if you have to, before taking to doctor, suppose if it is bleeding, you have to take on a cloth or anything. First you wash the place with the water, clean water, then put a bandage, then you take to doctor. That is the first aid. Okay, first aid is the first medical help given to the person after the accident. After that, the person can go to the doctor. I told you, as soon as you get hurt or anything, you can't rush to the doctor immediately. First you have to give the first aid. That is the first medical this one you will be giving. Then you can take to doctor. Okay, that all the things you can be very careful, children. Okay, now whenever you are going outside, the traffic rules also you have to follow it, children. Then you want to go to any new place. When you are going for any, suppose if your known place also, you will be going along with your parents or elders. Maybe your brother or sister you will be going. Suppose if you don't know any new place, you want to go to the next room or something new place, what you have to do? You have to take along with your parents or your elders. Okay, children. Then while you're touching any electronic devices, you have to wear your rubber slippers, children, because when you wear a rubber slippers, you will not get electric shock, children. So if you want to touch me, so don't try that. Okay, so I'm just informing you, while you are touching any electronic devices, it's very safe when you wear your rubber slippers. Okay, then I told you, when it is in any accident, suppose you first give the first aid, then you will be taking to the doctor. Then I told you, must not run on the stairs and must not run on the road. Okay, then you want to go out and play, children, outdoor games. You want to go outside along with your friends. If you want to play, like you want to play cricket or running or anything you want to play on the road. Okay, inform your parents and go. Without informing your parents, don't go outside and play, children. Okay, you have to inform your parents that like your dad or mom, I'm going out, I'm playing with my friends. Okay, then you have to play in the safe place, not on the center of the road. Okay, just if you have a place near your house, you can play, but you have to inform your parents before you are going to play outside. Okay, then you will be bursting the crackers, children, sometimes for festivals, Diwali times, all some occasion also you will be bursting the crackers. Okay, so that time don't burn the crackers alone. So take the help of your elders, because you are too small, no. So you have to be very careful. Take the help of the parents or elders to burn the crackers. Then if you get any wound, children, so don't leave that wound like that only. So you have to do first aid, or you have to put any bandage, Dettol, or everything you have to put it. Okay, that's all about this lesson, children. Have you understood this lesson, children? Okay, now we'll go with the textbook exercise, children. Open page number 162. Okay, children, see the first main. Some daily routine works are given below. Write Y for what you do and N for what you do not do. So whatever you are doing, you have to put Y, and what you must not do, you have to put N, children. First one, I spilled the shampoo on the bathroom floor. So is it you correct or no? So you have to put your N. Second one, I never run on the stairs. Yes, you will not run on the stairs. Okay. Third one, I do not follow the traffic rules. No, you have to follow the traffic rules, children. I told you, no. Fourth one, at school we stand in a queue for the bus. Yes, put Y. Fifth one, I burn crackers in my room. No. Will you burn the crackers in your room, children? No. Okay, second main. For first aid, you need certain things to keep in a box. Complete this first aid box with the help of your teacher. Write the names of things needed. I told no, children, you have seen in school also, when you go out, maybe in the theater or some other places also, you would have seen the first aid box, children. See, this is first aid box. So first aid box, what they'll keep inside means necessity things. I told no, whatever we needed, no, bandage, that, this, everything. So what is there inside this first aid box? See, children, they shown here. All these things are there inside the first aid box. So you have to name it. So what is this? First one is a band-aid. So when you get hurt, you wash it with the clean water. Then you have to put a band-aid. Okay.
This is scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O or S. And this one, Dettol. D-E-T-T-O-L. Dettol. And this one is cotton roll. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton roll. R-O-L-L. So all these things you can see it in the first aid box, children. Next, come to third main. You must have seen the traffic lights on the road. It has 3 colors. Can you complete it and tell what each color stands for? So all you would have seen the traffic light, right, children? So what are the colors you can see in the traffic light? Red, then yellow, green. Okay, so the colored first one is red. Second one you have to color it yellow. Okay, then third one green. Okay children, I'll show you. See second one, this one you have to color it yellow. So color it. Okay. And next one green. Color this green children. Okay, now what this lights says, if it shows a red light, what it is the meaning children? Means stop. Red means stop. Right here stop. S T O P, stop. Okay, yellow means be ready. You have to be ready. Okay, R E A D Y, ready. And if it is green signal light, you have to say go. G O, go. Red light says stop. Yellow light says be ready. And green light says go. Okay. Next come to activity portion children. Here are some pictures. You have seen them in your house. The writer has forgot the names. Can you help to make these names? Okay, they given some things. Okay, and here they given the letters. So which letters are missing you have to write. What is this children? This is a blade, you know. So B is there, write L, then A D E, blade. And this one is iron box, is it? Electric iron. Right here E, L E C, T is here, R I C I R O N, electric iron. And this one you know, scissors, S C I S S O R S, scissors. And this one is a cotton roll, C O T T O N, cotton roll, R O L L, cotton roll. Okay children, now open page number 159. Okay, now I'll read out the lesson children. Listen carefully. Lesson 5, Protection from Accidents. Rajat was running on the wet floor. He fell down and hurt himself. This is an accident. Okay, here you can see one boy fell down. His name is Rajat. So he was running on the wet floor. So what happened? So you must walk slowly on the wet floor children. So what happened? On wet floor he was running. So he fell down. Okay, and this is an accident. Accidents can happen to anybody. It may occur anytime. So we should always be careful. Remember the following. Okay, at home, keep away from sharp objects like knife and blade. Do not touch electric devices with wet hands. Do not put your finger into the switchboard. Do not play, run or fight on stairs. Do not play with fire. Turn the page children. Next page. Look at this house roof. It does not have any boundary. Do not play or fly kites on such roof. I told you know children while explaining, see this. Can you see this roof? There is no boundary or no wall here. Okay. So it is very dangerous to play like this. Okay. Do not spill soap in the bathroom. At school, do not play in an open field. Field should have high boundary wall. Be careful while playing near pointed fence. Do not throw any object on other students. Do not fight or make a noise in the school bus. Stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. On road. Do not play on the road. Do not talk while crossing the road. Next page. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Do not drive in a rush. Maintain a medium speed of your vehicle. First aid. In case any accident occurs, we need first aid. First aid is the first medical help given to the person after the accident. After that, the person can go to the doctor. Okay, have you understood this lesson, children? So every day you have to read the lesson. So you have to practice reading also, children. Thank you, children.